Hello to all our aspiring student programmers out there. Today, we're going to embark on an interesting journey exploring the Prisma ORM, Object Relational Mapper. We'll delve into 10 different concepts ranging from basic queries to more advanced operations like joins, filtering, and transactions. By understanding these concepts, you'll be better equipped to interact with your database in a more effective and efficient manner. After all, Prisma is all about making database operations more intuitive for developers like you. So buckle up as we decode these concepts, and now let's dive into the code. In the first concept, we simply retrieve all records from the user table using Prisma's find many method. This is akin to the basic select asterisk from user's SQL command, but in a more JavaScript-friendly format. Moving on to the second concept, we introduce the idea of including relations, which is similar to a SQL join. In this example, when fetching users, we also retrieve their associated posts. This is done by setting include posts true, demonstrating Prisma's ease in handling relational data. The third concept focuses on filtering with the where clause. Here, we fetch users who are active by specifying where A is active, true. This filters the records returned from the database, similar to the SQL where clause, but in a more structured and safer way, reducing the risk of SQL injection attacks. In the fourth concept, we explore sorting results using order by. Users are sorted by their creation date in descending order. This is essential for scenarios where the order of records is significant, such as displaying the newest users first. Pagination, our fifth concept, is crucial for handling large datasets efficiently. We use skip and take to paginate the data, which corresponds to the SQL limit and offset clauses, but in a clearer manner. This allows us to fetch a specific subset of records from the database. The sixth concept shows how to select specific fields from a query. Instead of fetching all fields from the users, we fetch only the name and email. This reduces the amount of data transferred from the database, improving performance, especially when dealing with large tables. Next, we use operators in the seventh concept. Here, we retrieve users registered after a specific date using the GT, greater than, operator. This demonstrates Prisma's capability to handle complex filtering conditions in a readable and maintainable way. In the eighth concept, we construct a more complex query combining multiple conditions and including nested relations, showcasing Prisma's ability to handle intricate database queries elegantly. The ninth concept is about updating records. We update a user's status based on their email. Prisma makes updating records straightforward while ensuring type safety and reducing the chances of errors. Lastly, the 10th concept introduces transactional operations, ensuring that multiple operations either all succeed or fail together, maintaining database integrity. This is crucial for consistency, especially in scenarios where operations are dependent on each other. In conclusion, understanding and utilizing these 10 Prisma ORM concepts can significantly enhance the extensibility, reusability, and efficiency of your database interactions. Extensibility is shown through Prisma's ability to handle complex queries and relations, allowing your application to grow and change over time. Reusability comes from Prisma's structured approach to queries, making your code more readable and maintainable. Efficiency is evident in the performance optimizations, such as selecting specific fields and pagination. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, and remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing web applications.